In this video, we're going to be learning about matrix determinants for a 2x2 and a 3x3. We're going to first start by taking a look at a determinant for a 2x2 matrix. And so if we have the matrix A, B, C, and D, we would take the determinant A by putting brackets on the side of it, or we could write it as DET of A. So to figure out this matrix right here, we're going to take the determinant of A, and this is going to be the multiplication of AD minus BC. Or we can think of it in terms of our matrix as taking the cross of AD minus BC. Now, a special thing to note about taking a matrix is that we have to take it as a square, meaning a 2x2 matrix or a 3x3 matrix. With this information, let's do an example of matrix B, which is going to be 4, 3, 3, and 9. To figure out the determinant of this, we're going to put brackets on the side, and for this determinant, we're going to take 4 times 9 minus 3 times 3. This would be equal to 36 minus 9, which is going to give us a final answer of 27. Now moving on to a 3x3 matrix, we're going to say that we have the matrix of A, B, and C, D, E, F, and G, H, I. If we take the determinant of this, we're going to see that we multiply the top 3 values by the determinant of different rows and columns we see in the second 2 lines. So the determinant will be A multiplied by the determinant of E, F, H, and I minus B times the determinant of D, F, G, and I plus C times the determinant of D, E, G, and H. You'll notice that when we do the first determinant, we take the value of A and we multiply it by the determinant of the 2 rows to the right. When we do B, we're taking that middle value and we're multiplying it by this row and this row. So we ignore the middle row that B falls within. And when we take a look at C, what we're doing is we're taking the value of C, we're ignoring the 2 rows that are inside, and we're taking the determinant of the values on the left side. We'll have a plus, a minus, and then a plus. With that, we're going to do an example of a 3x3 matrix. So for this example, we're going to have a matrix B, and the values within it are going to be 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 0, negative 1, and 1, 4, and 5. To take the determinant of B, we're going to follow the same steps that we learned from looking at A. We'll start by taking the 2 that's in front and multiplying it by the determinant of the other 2 rows, which will give us 0, negative 1, 4, and 5, minus the second column, which will be a negative 3, times the determinant of 2, negative 1, 1, and 5, plus the third column value of 1 times the determinant of the other 2 columns on the left. Simplifying this is going to give us 2 times 0 times 5 minus a negative 1 times 4. A minus and a minus will change this to plus, so we'll have plus 3 times 2 times 5 minus a negative 1 times 1 plus 1 times 2 times 4 minus 0 times 1. Simplifying this is going to give us 0 plus 4 plus 3 times 10 plus 1 plus 1 times 8 minus 0, which will be 2 times 4 plus 3 times 11 plus 1 times 8, which will be equal to 8 plus 33 plus 8, which will give us an answer of 49.